If you like to say greetings to them first.
First, thank you for Mizoram and support me. Ama sabar jun pathian junga lom thu ga soya jun Mizoram mi puitele India ram hun sang changa milo chan tu zong te milo chan tu zong te na thilung da gin lom thu ga soi ngal bokani.
He just wanted to thank his God, Jesus, his friends, his family back in Mizoram, then his gym, then India, who supported him like everything. So he's just grateful for everything, and he just wants to thank everyone who is supporting him from the starting.
Thank you very much. A lot of people see your fights, but I don't think a lot of people know you as a person. And you're fighting out of Do Young MMA. So if you'd like to tell a little bit about your background coming up as, a Mizo Indian fighter from the suburbs or whatever part of India it may be. So coming up, how tough was it?
Apa sabar jun game sang sang khel china jun MMA amateur ka khel nuwa khanin professional line lampang ha lu ka du wangin sarmana san noya hin sarmana sa himin kau chua ani train professional bul ga chana ama changa tinga ron fight chau thai hi kani sarmana sa chunga po ka lom hle.
He just wants to thank me because he used to fight in amateur category. He became like 3-time national champion from Mizoram, but there was no support or no sponsorship for him. Then he fought in one of my league in India, small leagues, where we picked him, sponsored his training. Then we brought him to Guwahati, which is like a nearby state of nearby city of his hometown. So we brought him there. We used to give him money and he was training. So he just wants to thank him, me and our team.
Is it Do Young Gym?
Do Young.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Is there any other aspiring MMA fighters from the gym that could potentially come to one championship someday?
Yes. There is many actually, and we
have
been grooming and we are totally focusing on the amateur talents because the game is evolving. It's very new, so we are totally focusing on. Hopefully, in next 3 to 2 years, you will see many of them around me.
I hope so. So recently, I saw a post on Instagram from Josh Van. Did you received a message from Josh Van, right? Did you draw any inspiration from Joshua Van as a fighter?
Joshua Van ama hi ke man ni same blood thi sen kha an awang hain an UFC champion ni an ni pon na thei chuan in Mizo te hian kan thei ve ni ti kha ama tang hanin chawna lian tak ka muwa chu wang chun ama ai zo in ka tui thara thei top ka chu ni sarmana sa do jang jim noya.
He said that Joshua Van is same as his tribe and his blood. So he think if Joshua Van can become such a world champion, he can also become world champion. Yeah, so he said that and that thing motivated him a lot to work harder again in his dreams, and he's very grateful to everyone who helped him, including me. So yeah.
Let's go. He literally wrote a message to him, right, wishing him the best for this particular fight, tonight's fight. So did it give him any extra motivation to finish the fight like he did?
Did Joshua Van message give you extra motivation for fight?
This fight, yeah.
This fight, because Joshua Van message you feel.
World champion me win ti kha mi ron du sak na mi ron lana chak lo kha ka tum lo top chak kha ka tum top.
So actually what happened, I messaged Joshua to wish him because he recently before when he came Mizoram?
Yeah.
When did 28?
28.
Joshua actually visited his city in Mizoram for a tour but he couldn't go because he had his fight. So he really wanted to meet him. So he was very sad. I can see it in training also those days. So not sad he wanted to go. So I messaged Joshua Joshua, can you wish him or say something to him? He'll feel great. And he obviously very kind and humble champion. So he messaged him wishing all the best and stuff. And he's currently in Bangkok. So so it's good. So it motivated him. And he said,
hopefully you can meet him too.
And he was telling that because Joshua Van watching me, I don't want to lose yet.
I'm sure he's watching because he's still in Thailand. He's in Bangkok. So maybe after the fight, you can set up some meeting. So apparently you have got your $100,000 contract, and congratulations again. I can't just congratulate enough for that one. What's your goal going forward in one championship? Now as a contracted fighter.
I want to one championship strawweight MMA champion belt.
Yeah.
He said he want to.
Apparently, yeah.
He'll work out. I told him okay, now the big guys will come for you.
Yeah. So, let's go back a little bit. So the first time, I think you were a bit upset that you didn't get the bonus because I really believed that he deserved the one that night, the first one, not the second one. So now, 3 fight wins straight, 3 finishes in a row, and getting the contract. How is he feeling? How are you feeling? Your emotion from not getting bonuses that you deserved, in my opinion, and all of a sudden you got the bonus and the contract as well. Overall, how do you feel about that?
I'm very happy, and it's not real and not my dream. This is not real, yeah. Not real, and this is real. I'm very happy.
Okay.
So he's been really working hard, and he's been like even in Guwahati to survive. He's working in a guest house as a cleaner. So his life is really hard, and the story is really good. And we hope the more he grows, people will know more about it, and we'll also reveal more. Right?
That's more than amazing. So I'm sure as a fighter, you must have been screening, the rankings and the weight class, the straw weight in one championship. So is there any person, any particular fighter that you want to fight next?
No, I don't think, because he just tell me who's my next opponent. It's my job. So we are currently focusing on only one step, because we know sport is very new in India, and we are growing. Want to fight? He doesn't decide that. He let me decide that part. So you tell me I'll fight.
I think that's healthy, right? If you look at Joshua Van, he doesn't really care about the rankings, the fighters. He doesn't even know. I think the ranked fighters in his own division, and all of a sudden he became a champion. So
I always tell him, just focus on your training,
your
diet, your sleep, recovery. Let me get this all complicated part, because that's not your job. We'll do that for you.
Right.
It's a
right. That's amazing. That's amazing. So, thank you for the interview. And finally, anyone that you want to give a shout out to, the sponsors, maybe?
Thank you, Ronin FC, and thank you, Dojang MMA. Thank you for supporting me. And
for this fight camp, we also came here to Phuket Grappling Academy for 10 days of sparring camp, because longer is not possible. So there is a fighting tournament which is called Ronin Fighting Championship. They sponsored his camp, and also many people helped him. Twanti or people like them helped him. So he just wants to give shout out to that promotion, and hopefully if it comes live, we'll share it with them, and they'll be also happy. And we also want to give shout out to Phuket Grappling Academy, who helped us, and big shout out to Thailand. They have helped India grow a lot, because every time we are growing only because of Thailand. We come here, we learn, we improve. That's how it is.
And a big shout out to you too. You've done so well to get
amazing.
contract.
Yeah.
Hopefully get one championship.
Fine.
Very well done.
Sorry.
Hopefully we can do more.
Sorry if I cut you. So finally, let's just do it, Mizo. Just say a few words to your Mizo friends, Mizo fans. I'm sorry. No English. Just do it in Mizo. freely.
oh, tuân chung hi cái thiểm lệ thế na vang anh lo Mizoram mi pui den bin lo trong trai pui na avang liu ni min trong trai pui lo ulang chuan tu na po hian na ka chan don lo min trong trai na vang liu le pathian mal som na nang ma ni tanga ka don wang liu ni thei top chua pathian le kan ram tan le India kan ram tan thei top chua batuma pathian in risel na min pen ni chuan India hian champion belt ron hon ngai ka tumani chuan an vai India ram mi pui zong te bye kalom tu in support na.
Thank you very much, Nazareth. Kalam tuk. Just say kalam tuk.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah.